All right, folks, buckle up, because today we're stepping right into one of the most heated, long-running debates in the entire American firearms world. The Ruger Mini-14 versus the AR-15. Two rifles, two legacies, two very different personalities. And I'm going to tell you something most people don't expect to hear. There are at least 15 solid reasons why the Mini-14 might actually be the better rifle for your real-world needs. Not theory, not internet hype. Real, practical reasons that matter when the rubber meets the road. So let's dive right in. Here are 15 reasons why the Ruger Mini-14 is way better than the AR-15. Reason number 1. The Mini-14 looks innocent but performs like a tactical carbine. The first advantage is visual. The Mini-14 looks like a traditional hunting rifle, not something out of a SWAT truck. And in today's political climate, that's huge. It attracts less attention, less fear, less assault weapon drama. Your neighbors won't freak out when they see you loading it into the truck. It blends in, but still hits hard. Reason number 2, classic aesthetics with real firepower. The Mini-14 has that clean, classic American rifle silhouette. Walnut, steel, slim lines. It feels traditional in the hands, but underneath is a fast, accurate semi-auto carbine. If you like timeless looks paired with modern performance, this is your rifle. Reason number 3, a durable workhorse in harsh environments. Make no mistake, the Mini-14 is a working gun. It's rugged, it's straightforward, and it handles the dust, dirt, humidity, and everyday abuse that ranchers and outdoorsmen deal with constantly. If you want a reliable tool, not a range toy, the Mini-14 shines. Reason number 4, cleaner design heritage than the early AR-15. Back in the day, the M16 had major teething issues because of ammo changes, myths about being self-cleaning, and no cleaning kits for soldiers. The Mini-14, on the other hand, was born from proven Garand and M14 DNA. It didn't have a messy childhood. It showed up ready to work. Reason number 5, gas piston system runs cleaner than AR-15, direct impingement. This is a big separator. The Mini-14 uses a robust gas piston, heat and carbon vent out front. The action stays clean and cool. The AR-15's direct impingement system blows hot, dirty gas into the bolt carrier group. It works, but it does introduce more fouling. Mini-14 takes the win in system cleanliness. Reason number 6, minimal carbon buildup means less cleaning. If you hate spending half your weekend scrubbing carbon out of hard-to-reach places, the Mini-14 is your friend. With its piston setup, the action stays dramatically cleaner. Less gunk, less downtime, fewer malfunctions in nasty conditions. Reason number 7, cold hammer forged barrels and stainless options. Ruger gives the Mini-14 a cold hammer forged barrel that lasts forever and stays accurate longer. And the stainless steel version? Perfect for high humidity, coastal regions, or anyone dealing with salt, sweat, or rain. Not rust-proof, but way more forgiving than blued steel. Reason number 8, ultra-reliable with Ruger factory magazines. The Mini-14's rare reliability complaints almost always come from off-brand magazines. Use Ruger factory mags, and the rifle is incredibly dependable. Smooth feeding, rock-solid cycling, no aftermarket headaches. Reason number 9, AR-15 size, but smarter internal layout. Line up a fixed stock Mini-14 next to a Colt 6.920, and the length and weight are nearly identical. But the Mini's recoil assembly sits forward, not inside the stock. That gives it more flexibility than the AR-15's buffer tube system. Same footprint, more options. Reason number 10, no buffer tube, sharker folding stock. Heaven, because the Mini-14 doesn't need a buffer tube sticking out the back. You can run a folding stock. Shorter, more compact, easier to store in a truck, pack, or cabin. The old-school Ruger A-Team folder was iconic. Samson's licensed reproduction today is absolutely fantastic. Reason number 11, longer sight radius for better iron sight accuracy. Both rifles mount the rear sight at the back of the receiver, but the Mini-14's front sight sits almost all the way to the muzzle. That longer sight radius makes iron sights more precise, especially at distance. Even mid-length AR-15s can't quite match it. Reason number 12, strong long-term value. Sure, you can find a decent AR-15 under $1,000, but many shooters end up diving into expensive upgrades. Triggers, rails, buffers, optics, barrels, gas blocks. You know how it goes. The Mini-14? Buy it once and you're basically done. No constant tinkering or replacing parts. Long-term, that simplicity saves money. Reason number 13, fewer upgrades needed, fewer parts to babysit. The Mini-14 comes out of the box as a self-contained, complete rifle. No messing with buffer weights, no swapping springs, no tuning the gas system. It just works. If you want a rifle that's ready when you are, this is it. Reason number 14, tons of quality stock options. Because the Mini-14 isn't chained to a buffer tube, you can run folding stocks, wood stocks, synthetic stocks, tactical stocks, classic walnut furniture. When I swapped my factory synthetic for a Ruger walnut stock, the rifle instantly felt better, looked better, and handled better. Zero downsides. Reason number 15, a simple, reliable rifle without the scary gun. Look, at the end of the day, the Mini-14 wins on simplicity. It's reliable, it's durable, it performs, and it doesn't draw unwanted attention from people who don't know guns but want to regulate them. Whether you're hunting, ranching, guarding the homestead, or plinking steel for fun, it's a fantastic all-around rifle, and it absolutely deserves more respect than it gets. Conclusion. So now it's your turn. Are you Team Mini-14 or Team AR-15? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-deal firearm content.